Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am on the Honda Trail 125 and I am off out in the mountains again. Checking out some trails and the cows. There's a cow right there. This trail, wherever it goes, is not on the map and there was no sign. But there wasn't no keep out sign, so this is my mountain goat here, this CT125. It is a go anywhere machine, and I of course put the 45 tooth rear sprocket on it, which makes it a lot better for this stuff. I just kind of no hurry, just beautiful day like this, 74 degrees out here, enjoying the nice weather, and I can just casually ride this thing out through here, no worries, and enjoy it. This thing is a lot of fun. 100 it's ridiculous, 120 mile a gallon or more. Oh, little calf taking off running, and the mama's right there. She's like, don't mess with my baby. Look at that little calf. It is cute as a button's ear. Look at that. That is a cute little booger there. There's a lot of calves being born. There's another cow with a calf up here. This time of year. Spring. All these cows are having their calves, and they're just as cute as can be. Some of the cows are aggressive. You get near them calves, they'll put you down. And I can tell you, if I have to run on this CT125, I'm in trouble. It's kind of hard to run away on this thing. This thing ain't fast, but this thing ain't supposed to be fast. It's just miles of smiles. This trail, I don't know where it goes. Definitely I have not been on this one. It's crazy how many I have not been on. I just keep coming out here and I keep finding more and more and more places that I missed. Riding with the boys, and we just ride, and we pass up all these little turnoffs, and this is what you find. Some really cool stuff. Watching for Border Patrol, because I've seen a lot of Border Patrol today out, and they got their vehicles parked out here. They're after somebody. Got these surveillance cameras up on towers, and this blimp above, they can see. And they call it on the radio, hey, there's somebody out there, coming across the border. Go after them. They go get them. Try to find them. We're almost going back around to, on my last video, I went to this Van Horn Spring. I can see on the map, but we're kind of on the bottom side of it, the lower side of it, going back that direction. That's where it's going to take me. Take us back to the same exact road. That's what it looks like. I think it's actually going to. It is. Well, I don't know if it is or not. Whoa. Holy mackerel. I think that's the end of it. That's the lower part of the spring down there is what that is. Where the spring comes out. But this, I don't think this is a road. If it's a road, it's like extreme bad. Don't think I better try it. Because it's like a ledge and ruts. It may have been a road at one time. And I definitely don't want to roll back off the edge here. Like this little CT125, you can just kind of throw it around anywhere you want. It's so easy to maneuver out here. That's why this is the way to go. If you're going to go out this kind of trail riding, and you're not into just having fun by going fast, that kind of fun, you just want to enjoy nature, get a CT125. Because I'm telling you, this is the most fun I've ever had as far as being able to ride off-road. Kind of reminds me of back in the day when I had the old three-wheelers. I used to have a ATC 90, way back when they first came out. It was the first three-wheeler ever made. Um, I had an ATC 110. I had a ATC 200 Honda. I had the 200 Big Red, the 250 Big Red. I had all 250Rs. A lot of them old three-wheelers, and the way this works, kind of like the old ATC 90 with the automatic clutch, it's basically got a centrifugal clutch. You shift gears, but when you just stop, like right here, you don't have to worry about clutching it. Gas it and just go. And which, when you're out in this stuff here and not having to worry about that clutch, it's a big plus. This thing handles so good out here. It makes it a lot better, especially when you're in the rough stuff and on the hills. Being able to just stop and take off without having to worry about clutching it. I like it. This thing is a blast. Now, it's not fast, and it's not smooth riding. It's real. Look at that little white face calf. And there's one under the mama there, and then there's a little white face one back there behind. Mama's saying, okay, you've seen enough. Time to move on. There's another calf hiding right out there. Oh, there's the mama right there. Probably the one I saw on the way down through here. They're all over here. You start seeing the cow patties in the road, you know you're not far from them. Especially when they're fresh cow patties. Somebody lost their drawers. That's not good. Don't look, Ethel. Well, this is kind of different than riding Chadwick, John, but I enjoy it. Seen your Chadwick videos, and I've rode there a lot in Chadwick, down there in Missouri. It's kind of an off-road park, ATVs, bikes and stuff. But back when I first started going there, it was mostly just dirt bikes, and then the three-wheelers. But this is actually a lot more fun than Chadwick, because Chadwick's just kind of a controlled place. You know, this is wild. This is real. Yeah, Chadwick was cool, but the problem with Missouri is if you don't go to the national forest, which is limited, you can go to places like Chadwick, but that's all you got. You ride their roads, they're limited. Here, even the dirt roads ain't limited. Man, them dirt roads here, my goodness, they go forever. We've been on some of them. I'm talking, we just give up, end up going back because on the 300Ls, the boys, especially, I have the turbine tank, but they don't. They just have stock tanks. I mean, we get to where we're about to run out of gas, we got to go back. So they just go forever out through these mountains and deserts. Oh, there's a cow right there. Cow right there. I kind of judge by if somebody's been up and through here by the cow patties in the road. If they're kind of too fresh, it might not mean nothing because they could have, somebody went by and then they crapped in the road. But if you see one that's a day old, it still has some softness to it, but there's no tracks running it over, you know, probably ain't nobody up in here, or hasn't been in a day or so anyway. Now right here, the cow patty I just saw there had been ran over. Wasn't me. I try not to run over them because you have to clean that stuff off. It slings it all up into your fenders. But sometimes you gotta hit them. So this is just some kind of a little campsite place out in there. A lot of little camping spots. And the thing about here is too, there's campsites everywhere. And I've yet to go moto camping. We're going on a trip on the Gold Wing. When we get back from that trip on the Go Wing, I've got to, even if the boys don't come, I've got to go moto camping. Probably on the CT125. I can do some moto camping. I've been wanting to do it. I haven't got to do it. So it is coming. I mean, I'm pretty much retired now. Not totally retired because what I do now is my YouTube. That is my living. It's not much of a living, but it's enough to get by. And so I got all the time in the world to make these videos. And if you guys click the thumbs up, comment, all this helps. Watch them little commercials at the beginning of the video. If it comes up, just watch them all the way through. All that little stuff helps to rank me higher. It helps a lot. If you go to my Amazon store and purchase stuff for your bike, once you go to my Amazon store in the link below in the description, you don't even have to buy anything off my Amazon store, but if you go there first, and then you go from there to buy something, do a search from there, you can buy anything on Amazon. It don't cost you no more, but I get a little percentage off of it. All that stuff helps out to keep me going. This was always my dream, to be able to do this full time. And we finally moved from Missouri and decided we was going to do it. RV living, off-road adventures, doing the Gold Wing stuff. And the Border Patrol's right behind me, wanting probably through here. Better let him go. So there was somebody on back in there. So I was just saying, I've seen a lot of it. I've seen more today than I've ever seen out here. So they're obviously hot on somebody's trail doing something. This is a weekday. It's Wednesday. Slow down here. Let him go on and get the dust out of the air. But anyway, we got lots more videos coming. Lots more Gold Wing stuff. More CT125, and then of course more 300L videos. Probably some more Jeep adventures too, hopefully. And the Gladiator. Hopefully do some moto camping and all of that. But do me a favor. If you watch this video to the end, please click the thumbs up. Please comment. Share the video. You can click on share and share it on Facebook or share it wherever. It just helps me out a lot. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. We'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.